Have you ever wondered what a room at the beautiful Impression Isla Mujeres looks like? Well, we're about to show you. We stayed in a signature junior suite, king bed, oceanfront with hot tub. Here we go. As soon as you walk in, you can see the arched doorways and plenty of natural light. Off to the left, large glass shower. Over into the bathroom area, we had dual vanities and plenty of storage over here to the left in the closet area. There's your digital safe, yoga mat, robes, slippers, umbrellas, and plenty of space for storage. Now I want to go back and touch on some of the smaller amenities that sometimes go unnoticed. Impressions provided plenty of after sun care products like this right here. And now back out into the bedroom area. I love the grays and the color schemes here. Right into another one of those smaller amenities that sometimes goes unnoticed. They're a complimentary beach bag, which is nice to have, along with, here's a look at the turn down service and laundry service, which was a nice touch for sure. Now we'll head down into the more living area. Got a couch, table and chairs for eating if you get room service. There's Beth outside taking in the views. But first, I want to cover the mini bar, which is right here. Plenty of beverages and cocktails, mixers and whatnot, along with some Don Ramon Reposado. Also a nice little coffee area and just some things that you may need along the way. Here's our wine chiller. 3 bottles of wine, refreshed daily, whatever styles you want. These snacks were also refreshed daily. And now, the part that everybody wants to see, the view. Walking out, there's our little hot tub. We did dip in there one evening for a sunset, but look at this view right here. This is by far the prettiest ocean view we've seen from any room that we've had at any resort. This room is on the 14th floor, so the only thing above us is a couple restaurants and the beautiful infinity pool up on the roof. Here's a view at night from the same exact spot on the balcony, and that's Cancun in the background. I think they do a fabulous job with the lighting here. And as I said earlier, we did enjoy a sunset with a little wine from the hot tub. So again, this was a signature junior suite king oceanfront with hot tub at the beautiful Impression by Secrets at Isla Mujeres. If you like what we're doing, feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok at Vacations and Libations.